Welcome everyone to Dark Candle. This is session 2, and I'm about to introduce you the ways to earn money. In cryptocurrencies, there are 4 main ways of earning money, which the first one is going to be our favorable, and the other 3, somehow you could say with a high probability that does not need any strategy or analytics that we're gonna learn for trading. Now, ways to earn money. The first one is trading. The most favorable way to earn money in this market is trading. In trading, an asset is bought at a certain price and is sold at another price in a short period of time. Profiting is either achievable from rising and falling prices, which requires high expertise depending on analysis, capital management, and trading personality. To add on in trading, I gotta tell you that this involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies or digital assets on exchanges. Traders in this market aim to profit from price fluctuations, as I told you, by executing trades based on market analysis, trends, or speculations. The second way is Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin mining is the other way. In this way, it is like we acquire money printing machine, but it needs a lot of electricity, miner devices, and accessories, and in some countries, official permit. When I had some research, I found out some countries that needed official permit, but some other does not. The devices must be up to date. It is very important and very vital that old devices consume a lot of energy and have little efficiency, so it would not be a profit at all if you use old devices to mine Bitcoin. In Bitcoin mining, this is a process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers and, as I told you, the machines to solve complex mathematical problems. Successful miners are rewarded with newly created Bitcoins and transaction fees. Now comes the third way, which is games. Cryptos can be even gained by playing games, and as you may be familiar, that many online games offer play-to-earn models where players can earn cryptocurrencies or NFTs. NFTs stands for non-fungible tokens. By practicing in gameplay, completing tasks, or competing against others, these assets can be often sold or traded in digital marketplaces. If you search NFTs online, you could find billions of NFTs available in the network that you can earn them or buy them and profit from them. But this and Bitcoin mining and the next topic is not discussion topic of our course. Now comes the last way, which is buying and selling miner devices. Buying and selling miner devices and providing services in this field or consulting the field of digital currencies can also be mentioned as a way. This involves purchasing mining hardware and reselling it for profit. As demand for mining equipment fluctuates with cryptocurrency prices, savvy buyers can take advantage of marketing trends to buy low and sell high, especially during mining booms, which can fluctuate more and you can profit from those fluctuations. Now, trading, or I just came up with something to tell you, which is very important. I've just thought about it, that it is crucial for you to know that trading is more than just numbers and charts. You may think of trading as charts analysis, sentimental analysis, I don't know, any other analysis that myself use, but trading is more than just numbers and charts, as I said. It's an art form that requires creativity, adaptability, and a deep understanding of market dynamics. And because of this, I introduced you those topics, and one of them was lifestyle, trading lifestyle, which that trading lifestyle is going to be very important if you ignore it. And I told you, many ignore it because they think that trading is just about charts and numbers. It isn't in real life. You won't see a single trader that have just done the charts and the trading strategies in a perfect way. Absolutely not. They have their own lifestyle of trading, and that's what kept them in this market. This is very important. So together, we'll explore various trading strategies, analyze market trends, and decode the psychology behind successful trades. And that is going to help you to improve your stability, to improve your analysis and your mindset of trading. Thanks for watching this video and keep up with us till the next one. Good luck all.